Well, hey family, this is Darlene. You know, because I like that 2-strand bracelet, I'm gonna have to make more of those. I love the way they came out. So today I'm gonna try it with like one of my bigger stones, the lava stone, and see what we get. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, you know what? I wanted to, let me see. I was gonna put something. I was gonna put a spacer, but I think I'm gonna try it like this and see how this comes out. Because I love the way that 2-strand bracelet came out. So that only means that I'm going to have to be making more of those. And that'll work out instead of, you know, the 2-strand being connected. Because many times people will purchase 2 bracelets. And if you got them to where they are already connected, it just makes more sense. This bead don't want to act right. See if we can get this through. And this time I thought I'd try with some chunkier beads. See what we get. And I'm going to have to close them with these same beads that I got. I got these at Michael's on sale when I got that haul a couple weeks back. And I'm using it because the hole is big enough to hide the end of the stretch cord when I tie it. So that only means if I plan to do more of the double strand, I'm going to have to find beads that have these real big holes in them. And that should be easy to do. There's a Joann's that's closing here where I live, so I'm gonna have to go out there and see if they have anything on sale as of yet. Because you know how they do, they like to wait to the very last minute before stuff go on a real good sale. I'm like, no, that's not how we doing this. And see, that's already pretty, right? And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the ends off with black wood beads. And these wood beads are good for like spacers, like when you need to, if you limit it on certain beads. The only thing with these things, look, the holes, always gotta open the holes. I don't think I've ever bought a pack of these wood beads like this, and the holes have been completely open on both sides. I always have to do that, no matter what color I buy. And I guess you figure if they're painted, you would have to do that. Ain't like they're gonna paint them and open the holes for you too, right? Ooh, darling, you asking for a lot. I know. Shoot. I know. We pay for it, so the holes should be open. I shouldn't have to do this. Okay, so let's try this. That's already a beautiful bracelet. And see, it's nice and chunky. And that's what I was thinking. I said, you know what? I'm going to try a nice chunky one. And I like that. Nice and chunky with that lava stone. So let's do, and I might, because it already, I might have to take one of these off. And then close it off with this one. So let's see if it's, and I might have to, yeah, that's pretty good. So we'll try this one. And see, look, I love the way that looks. And that's nice just as a single bracelet. Right? So what I'm going to do, lay this here and let this rest. And then we'll work on this one. And this one, I really didn't have a, let me see if I want to try this bead right here. Because I wanted to put something equally as pretty in the middle. So let's try that and see what we get. Something with a pattern. And see, this hole is really small compared to this one. I thought these were some real pretty beads when I first bought them. In fact, these are part of the Michaels haul a couple weeks ago. And remember, I don't always use the beads. I gotta wait, you know, to see it. Some idea has to come to me before I actually use them. Look, this one go in. So I'll buy them, and sometimes I don't use them right away. But then there are some that I will use like right away once I buy them. Because you know how you get anxious and like, oh my God, I can't wait to use those. Okay, see, that don't want to. What in the world? That don't want to go in either, and it's a straight hole. Okay, there we go. I love the pattern on it. Look at that. It's really pretty. Put you in the mind of a basketball. Okay, so that one's straight through. Yeah, I could see that. I could even see this as a 3-strand. So let's put some of these on here. Give us a little bit more flare with this bead. Yeah, I think that'll work. And if not, I could always take it loose. No biggie. No biggie. Oh yeah, that's going to be pretty. So I'm going to use a couple more of these beads right here. And I love working with the big beads. Just can't always find them with nice prints on them. And then they seem to be a little bit more expensive too. And did I tell you guys how much I love wearing chunky bracelets? That's why I started making jewelry, because I couldn't find jewelry that I liked, you know, wearing. And I like chunky, big, even like with my earrings. And I think I told you guys I started off making leather and suede jewelry. So I would make my earrings, and I used to sell those at a place in Plaza Bonita. It used to be the African American, I think it was called the African American Women on Tour. It was this annual event that took place at Plaza Bonita. And every year I would sell out there, and I would sell out leather and suede jewelry. I would make necklaces, bracelets, earrings, anything that I could make. And then I started making those little crossbody leather bags. So I would get leather, that real soft leather, you know, nice amounts of it. I would go across the border right here, and would get it for a little bit of nothing. I mean, just pounds and pounds for about 20 bucks. And I mean, I made, wow. Okay, this is really nice. I like this as a chunky set. So let's see what it looks like if I do this like this real quick. Yeah, but this one seemed like it has one bead too many. This one right here. So let's see what we get. And they should be the same length at least, or, so let's see, take it over, take it across. Oh yeah, that's really nice. And that's a double strand. So what I'm gonna have to do, okay, is I'm gonna have to take probably one of these beads off so I can put this bead on. Oh, no, because remember I'm using this one bead to hide the cord, so that works out. So let's try this. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take both of our strands, and they need to be together. So we'll take this, and I'll put the bead with the big hole over both of the strands like that. And we want to tie. And you know, I like to double my elastic, tie like so. Okay. And then do another double. And because it's doubled, what I'm going to do is separate the cord, and then I'm going to tie them, these two pieces together separately. And then I'm going to take another one across and tie it like that, and then bring them back together, and then double it again, 1, 2, and then pull, and then I think I'll just do one more. And then I'm going to cut this off. And we're going to pull, because you can see how it is, right? So now we're just going to pull that, just like if we were doing one. And we pull that together. And we got our double. We got our double just like that. And put it on this one. Yeah, just like that. That's pretty. And that's a double. Let me see. I got a bracelet, another bracelet over here. I can. Right? So then you got your nice chunky. That's popping all up the arm. You got a special event to go to. That's a really quick, easy bracelet you can make. 2 strand. Right? That's cool. I like that. That double strand. We got something. All right. Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your comments. All your conversation, all your compliments, all that good stuff. We shall talk soon.